Hey guys, good morning. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tutorial on how to, and this is my little prop, fold a towel in the correct, perfect style that kind of may look like the ones you find in a hotel. Pay attention. So we got a towel, we're gonna use white. And so we're gonna take the towel like so. We take it and we take the edges and we go like this, just like that, guys. You see that? So what I did is I took this edge, you see that? Let's see if I can make y'all see. And then I took it to the side, just like that. And what you want is you wanna have that kind of effect, you see? You have it closed like that. Look at that. All the way down. You see that? Then what you guys are going to do is you're going to take your towel. You're going to grasp it like this. You're going to fold your towel again in half. Just like that. Now you got this sort of effect. And this again is a prop towel. So if you see any, little stains on it, that's cool, because again, it is a prop towel and it's used for video purposes only. And then again, whatever, who cares at the end of the day. So, and once you get this kind of effect, you're gonna take your towel and you can lay it out on your table, just like this. Let's give you a nice visual so you can see it step by step. And you're gonna take one end of your towel, you're gonna fold it to like right here. Midway, not even midway, like I would say to like a little bit edge of your thing, your towel like that. You'll give it like that much of a fold. Then you're gonna take this part of your towel and you're gonna fold it also, just like not even midway, but like at the edge. And then you'll have like an effect like this, if that makes sense. Then you will take this edge and you will flip this edge neatly on top like so. And there you go. Look at how perfectly knotted the edges are. You see that, guys? Look at that. Look on the other edge. Nice and neat, nice and tight. And you would then stack it neatly in whatever storage or shelf you would like. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you are interested in this video and you're interested in any more folding videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Bye.